Hello
everyone, we are here at Water Camp in Josephine Resort, Taguig, Cavite for our overnight swimming with my family. Okay, let's go upstairs. Let's go. Now we go upstairs. Here. Uy, ano naman yung stepping? Okay. Okay. Wag mo muna isa. Hello everyone, we are here at camp. After our overnight swimming. My sister. Oh. Hello. Ayan. Lobo. Basta princess. Missing angel. Knock. Good. Hello. Sleeping. You see the room? It's very nice. Okay. Lobo. Okay. The room is very nice. Okay, God bless everyone. Bye. Bye.
verification.